this larger dimension. So it will be 1 centimeter here. So that will be this lid. Okay, this is the 7, 15, the other dimensions, and 21, the 1 centimeter. So this piece will be V4 with the increase of 1 centimeter minus V1, the one that only has, it has, the basic one, 7, 15, 20, the volume of the whole thing. And this is with the excess 1 centimeter. This is going to be, this part is going to be, where did I write? Yeah, so V4 minus V1, okay, right here, V4 minus V1, and this is going to be the difference, 200,000 minus this one, so it will be 105 cubic centimeters, okay? Again, compare it, it's similar to the other one, which is 140, and half as big as the first one, which was 200 or whatever, 300. Okay, so what's the point of what I did? That's the good point now. So we wanted to estimate the volume of a box without having a ruler. So we have a training, and we can see that is 7, 15, and 20. Yeah, but how good is our training? I say, okay, 1 centimeter up and down. Say, not 1 centimeter up and down, half a centimeter up and down, right? So I made this imprecision, right? That of 1 centimeter. So I'm doing a simplification, but anyway, that's enough complicated like that. So when I do this imprecision of let's see if I can go back, yes, in the 7, let's go back, in the 7 is, which is the thickness, the 7 will be like this side. Come on, for me it's also complicated, don't look at me like that. This is difficult because it's a 3D stuff. The 7, I don't see it anymore. Where's the 7? V2 minus V1. The 7. I lost it. For me, all the sides are the same, I don't see it in 3D. I must confess. But somehow we have to find it again because I lost it. This is the 7, right? Yeah. This is the 7. And this will be the 8. Okay, now I see it, right? 7, 8. I write, maybe it will help me if I write the 7 here. So, gives me a clue. This is the 7, right? 7, this will be the 8, and this is the imprecision I make. This is V2 minus V1. So don't worry if you don't see it, because our thinking is not linear, We go back, we skip, yeah. So this is the 7 and it will be the 8. Good. The second one, this is the imprecision we do to this 1 centimeter. Okay. Now, let's see the 8. No, sorry, the 15. This is 15. The 15 will be this. It's black, so yeah. This is it. Okay. Good. I have to use a permanent because I can erase this from my finger. This is real life, In real life, nothing works as expected, and it takes longer than we wanted. I've been speaking for 1 hour. I don't remember. I can't believe it. So the 7 is there, but at least you will understand what I'm doing, I hope. The 7, right. Now the 8 is this. This is 8, right? Because 20, 15. Maybe if I wasn't so tired, that would be better. Okay, this is the 15. So if this is the 15, the 16 will be a continuation of that, which is this. Right. So V3 will be with 16, with one excess 1 centimeter. I hope you see it now. So V3 minus V1, which is the solid, V3 will be the solid with the 1 centimeter excess, or excess 1 centimeter. Yeah. And the final one, which is the 20, which is the vertical one. So already 20 here on top. That will be easier to see. So thank you for being there, because it helps me clarify my ideas. When you teach, it's very important that the ideas are clear, and they weren't clear for me, because I couldn't bother to write where the pieces were, and I got lost, because for me, from the mathematical point of view, it was super easy, but the correspondence with reality was a nightmare. So now I can see it. 20 will be this dimension, 21 will be 1 centimeter here, okay? So that will be the figure with one excess 1 centimeter, and okay, and this is the initial figure. There will be V4 the whole thing, and V1 this. So V4 minus V1 will be this. So the imprecision we do now, that we finally managed to see geometrically. 1 centimeter in each dimension is a huge error like this, huge error. So if we sum all the contributions of the 4 errors, the total error the total error would be the sum of all the errors. I don't know, I'm getting lost in the so will be the first 300 cubic centimeters, okay, which is the volume of this one, and then plus 140, which is this one, V3 minus V1, okay, this 140 cubic centimeters, and this one, the imprecision of the error due to the 2021, okay, which is 145. If you sum everything, will be 300, 400, 500, 545 cubic centimeters. So the initial guess here, red. The initial guess was this 7, 15, 20, which led to a value of 2,100. But the imprecision, 1 centimeter in each, led to a total error of the guess, of our guess, of 455. So physicists, we have a criterion to express this, and we drop the 45. We say 500 or 600. It's a criterion. So I'll explain to you later. So here the rounding off for the error is 500. We drop the 400, which is closer to 445 is closer to 500 and to 600. So the volume, taking into account the error we do during the guess, would be 2,100 plus minus